now, and we buy some food. What's food? We buy Sito and what? Pizza Rock from Greenwich. And I think we're gonna buy some ducklings.
Yeah.
I want to buy some ducklings or the rabbit one or the chicken one if they have the chicken one. I think I'm gonna buy the duck. Kahit kulang pera. How much kaya? I want to buy.
Hindi ka.
10? I don't have nga money. I have 20 pero I don't have the got to hingi-hingi some money.
Tara, tingnan natin doon.
So now we are going home, but we're not gonna buy the ducklings because I have this one, the plant. Kuya Nico cheat the Tiger Squad, but hindi kami trinit ng ducklings. So we're tampo-tampoing. We don't know where they are. We don't know. I think we're ligaw-ligaw. I think we're lost. Eme lang. I think I saw them. I think we're lost. Gusto talaga bumili ng dog. Kulang ng 10. Kulang
Okay na lang ito pag ano. Bumili ka ng duck.
No way.
Hindi, balik mo. Tapos exchange mo.
Hintayin ko na lang si Kuya JD. Hingi ako sa kanya 10.
Ako din, hingi. Wala rin ako eh.
Di ba may bariya ka pa?
Ayoko.
Yung 650 na nga lang yung itira mo. Kasi yung pamasahe natin, sagot ng pera na yung atelian. Kaya pwede tayo bumili. Kung yung sito mo, baka sabihin, bumili natin. Huwag kang pumasok. Ang gawin mo, inumin mo na.
Pinam sa messenger. Bye-bye, guys.